Hi everyone, I'm Jeannie. Welcome to this special series with the EDS Society. I'm here to help you move safely at home. And today we're going to be doing a very gentle mat class. You don't need any special equipment. Maybe you'll need a pillow if you like a little bit of head support. But we're going to be focusing on some very gentle rolling actions. So rolling actions are very nurturing for the body. We did it when we were little, we would roll around on the floor. So the nervous system is very familiar with gentle rocking and rolling patterns. So when we're feeling stressed, it's quite useful to return to these very basic, almost primal movements, and that can start to calm our nervous systems and make us feel a little bit more relaxed and a little bit more content. So why don't we go ahead and lie down, make yourself comfortable. As I said, use a cushion if you need one, and make your way down to the floor. Once you're on the floor and you've got your head support, go ahead and bend your knees. And as always, remember, avoid any exercise that doesn't feel right for you today. Okay, so listen to your body, really important. But before we start moving, we're going to just settle in and do a little breath work just to start to feel the weight of our body. Allow your body to sink into the floor. So releasing muscular tension allows the body to feel heavier. And you can start to feel like you're sinking into a deep, padded mattress. And let the ground really support you. So it's really important that we feel safe and secure if we're going to be doing exercise. We want to keep the nervous system calm and responsive and accepting of the exercises we're going to do. So take a pause, feel safe, feel secure, so that we're ready to start moving. So you're going to place your hands just on your pelvis, on the pelvic bones, and your elbows can rest on the floor, however feels comfortable for you. And we're very gently going to start doing some of these rolling actions. So I'll just move this hand so you can see my pelvis. But I want you to allow the pelvis to very gently roll forward. And look how small my movement is. It's really small. And then I'm going to gently allow it to roll back. I want you to use the least amount of muscular effort that it requires to do any of these movements. So my movement is small, and I'm feeling the change in the back of my pelvis as I rock between the back and the front of my pelvis. I'm not using my back muscles, I'm not pressing hard into my feet, I'm keeping everything very gentle. You could add your breath to this movement, which makes it really nice. You could inhale to let the body expand, the pelvis rolls forward. You can exhale to deflate the lungs, let the pelvis roll back. Let's do two more. Inhale, the body goes round, the lower back probably lifts a little bit off the ground. Exhale, the body rolls back. One more time. And down. Now from here we're going to slide one leg along the floor, so one leg is still bent, and we're going to do a similar thing, but I kind of think of it as a single leg pelvic roll. We're going to very gently press into one foot, and as you gently press, notice how the pelvis starts to roll. So again, we've got some rolling motion. Again, not big movement, just a very gentle roll. As I exhale, I roll it back. So I press and I get a very gentle roll. You can keep your eyes closed when you're doing the exercises. So once you've had a look at me and you've seen what's going on, it's really nice to keep the eyes closed. It's more nurturing for the nervous system. One more on that leg. And then you're going to bring the other leg back, slide the other leg away, and do the same again. So we're just going to do a gentle roll, and it might feel different one side to the other. So pressing into the foot, notice the pelvis wants to roll to the side, let it roll back. 2 more, press. And 1 more. I'll bring the other leg back. And again, very small, very gentle. Keep your legs hip distance apart. Just let the legs gently rock from side to side. So just a little sort of rocking of the thigh bones. It's not a big hip rotation. You're just rocking from side to side. So feel the weight across the back of your pelvis. It's a little massage for the back of the pelvis. It's very small. Literally just tipping from one side to the other. Nothing aggressive, very slow, very gentle. And then come back. Again, let your pelvis rest. Notice the quietness. And then you're just going to bring your arms and fold them across the front of your chest. And we're just going to roll the arm bones backwards. So as though we're going to brush our hair with our forearms, we're going to roll back and roll forward. Again, very nurturing. The arms are folded in a protective way. So as you take your arms up to brush your hair, notice that we want to keep the ribs nice and heavy. So as I go up, I want to feel the weight of the back of my ribs. So very gentle rolling here. Now this time, again, keep it small, look after your shoulders, but just do a very small circular motion here. So again, nothing big, very gentle, keeping the shoulders heavy on the ground, and you're just thinking rolling around. So just a little massage for the upper back, and let's go the other way. Again, keep the movement from the shoulders. Don't think about the elbows. And 1 more. Coming back, release the arms, and then we'll just roll our head. So we kind of worked our way up the body, giving ourselves a full body rolling experience. So as you roll your head from side to side, again, no force, no pressure. Feel the weight of your head change as you roll from one side of your head to the other. And then you're going to come back to the middle and let everything settle. Take a nice deep breath and open your eyes. So we're going to slowly come over, slowly take your time, make your way up to a seated position again. Take as long as you like. If you need to pause the video, just come back to a seated posture. Take a moment, take a nice deep breath and let that go. Just see how you're feeling. How does it feel after doing those gentle rolling moments? So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time in this special series with the EDS Society. And until that time, keep Zebra strong.